Hi and welcome to a Kirby Maths video all about finding the area of a trapezium. Now a trapezium is a shape that has one pair of parallel sides, and I've drawn a trapezium here. You could have a trapezium that looks like this, got one pair of parallel sides, or you could have a trapezium up on its end like this. That's still a trapezium because it's got a pair of parallel sides. Sometimes you could have an isosceles trapezium, and that looks like this. And that means that this is the same distance, this is the same distance, and these base angles are the same. And that's what makes that an isosceles trapezium, a bit like an isosceles triangle. Right, now the worst bit of this video is that there is a little song to sing to find the area of a trapezium. If I was you, I'd probably just learn the formula, but I have to sing the song. So it goes like this. Half the sum of the parallel sides times the distance between them. This is how we find the area of a trapezium. Right, I promise I'm not going to do that again, but if you remember that particular phrase, half the sum of the parallel sides times the distance between them, that will help you find the area of a trapezium. So what that means is you add these two parallel sides together, you halve your answer, and then you times that by how far they are apart. So if I do an example here, let's say this is 10 centimeters long, this is 15 centimeters long, and they are 8 centimeters apart. We write down this formula. Area is equal to the sum of the parallel sides halved times by the distance between them. Put our numbers in. It doesn't matter which way around A and B are, you're adding, so the order doesn't matter. So 10 plus 15, all divided by 2, and then we're going to times it by 8 because that's how far they are apart. 10 plus 15 is 25. 25 divided by 2 is 12.5, and we're going to times that by 8. 12.5 times by 8 is 100. And our units for area in this case are centimetres squared. So apart from the terrible singing, it's pretty straightforward. Add the parallel sides together, halve your answer, and then times it by how far the parallel sides are apart. Thanks for watching and listening.